Testing to see if our car is soundproof.
Let's see. Did you know my car is soundproof?
This is Allison's car. She drives a Jeep, and let's gonna try it.
Testing to see if our car is soundproof.
You didn't hear me?
No, I heard you. Loud and clear.
My name is Chancho. My name is Ryan. I have agency.
Testing to see if our car is soundproof. My name is Millie, and I drive a Toyota 4Runner.
My name is Trey Nunn, and I'm testing to see how soundproof my sister's Range Rover.
My name is Brady. I drive a Toyota Camry.